how are you all doing? Thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate you. If today is the first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this face for the first time, please do it to like our videos and share. In this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So please sit back, watch this video carefully, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
Everyone, I woke up today to insults, abusing me, my family, my children, threatening that they will burn the shrine because I said Peter Obi's supporters are zombies. First, let's be clear. What did I say? I said I'm too angry, I'm too sad, depressed to be obedient. I said, how can anybody come up with that term? How can you be obedient? How? I don't see. Me, I can't be obedient in this country. NSAS, killings, my grandmother was killed, my father's house burnt, the oppression of my family, and I'm supposed to be obedient. I said, do you know the meaning of obedience? When they tell you to sit down, you will sit down. Stand up, you will stand up. You're an obedient person. Me, I can't be obedient. I went on to say that Obi himself was friends with Atiku. He became Atiku's vice president. So if he's Atiku's vice president, they are pals. So I can't understand. And if they had won the election, they would be pally, kissing, hugging each other now. Is it a lie? Would they not have been doing that? So I don't know what you are saying. Did I call Peter Obi's supporters zombies? That means I will have got on stage and said, all you Peter Obi supporters, you're all zombies. Did I say that? No. I told you what the term means. If you don't understand English, tell me you don't understand English. Me, I know I didn't go to school, but I understand some basic things. What does obedient mean? I said, me, I don't like that terminology and I can never use it for myself. And I am not. Do I support Obi? No. Do I support Atiku? Definitely not. Do I support Tinubu? Please, don't look for my trouble. Don't even look for my trouble. How can I be supporting Tinubu? Have I ever supported any political party? Never. We just sit down, we look and observe and just say, because we are really, I think my family were heartbroken. If you believe you are going to change the narrative with if Obi wins, if Obi wins and the things change, we all jubilate. But I shouldn't have my doubt. Who are you to tell me not to have my doubt when I cannot tell you who to support or who you are going to vote for? Will I tell you who to vote for? I can't tell you what to do with your life. So don't come and start threatening me. You burn the shrine. Stop that rubbish. Stop that. Stop insulting my children. Stop. Let me give you a joke. They said that Portable is better than me and more popular than me. I will be very happy. If the young musicians become more popular than me, if Portable was given the opportunity to have a good education and learn instruments, I would be the happiest person. That is what I want for my people. That is what I've fought for all my life. That we have the best hospitals, the best roads, like I've seen all over the world. Why can't Nigeria be like that? Then I go back to 19. Look, when Fela was against Abiola, what did Nigerians do? They voted for him. Did Fela kill himself? When we were against Obasanjo, what happened? You voted for him. Then you all come back to come and ask me, what did Fela say that you voted for Obasanjo? They came in 1999 and they were talking about, I said I made a song, this political elite they are part and parcel of the problem. They are no different from the soldiers. They are going to do the same. When they got into power, the first thing they asked for was housing allowance, 30 million for cars. They wanted this. Nobody was discussing building hospitals, making sure our universities are the best, making sure we have good roads, making sure all those simple amenities. We had an amusement park for children. Look, making this the beauty that you can drive your car from Lagos to Cameroon. Look, ensuring that the welfare of these people would be taken care of. Changing the constitution to suit every ethnic group, every place. Look, making this country beautiful. They didn't do anything like that. They have had, 22 years and they have still not. If you are telling me that what Obi is about, then I'm asking you a question. But Obi went to greet Obasanjo. That makes me skeptical. Obi went to go and meet Babangida. Who? Me, my own family. We believe these are people that are part of the problem of this country. Well, some people will say, no, that is your business. You have the right to think like that. And if that's what you believe, good for you. But you too cannot come and tell me how to think and act the way I feel of my own pain. You have no right to do that as well. Please, you come and burn the shrine. You come and stand in front of me and tell me you want to burn the shrine. Let me knock your head for you. Good. You just sit down. Then I'm asking you, you are selling your candidate. Then you are just abusing anybody that has reservation. Instead of you to even try and convince me, if I want to sell, you see, we are trying to sell the shrine. And we always have to come and tell you that, look, this shrine is not a den for armed robbers. The shrine is, we try to do this as much as possible. You say clear the streets. Is it because of you the drug sellers are there? We tell you that road is federal government road. It has nothing to do with the shrine. We cannot just go on the street and start beating people. We can't do that. Our business is the shrine. Those people too, they even like our music. I would say because some people smoke Ekpa, they don't like my music. Or some people, because they drink alcohol. Do I come and tell people what to do in their houses? Look, I don't even know the way you people are thinking. And you see, you are threatening my family, you are threatening my children, insulting us, insulting Fela. Well, the same thing they did to Fela. Then they now call Fela a prophet. And now, because when Fela's children have their reservations, you start to insult us again. Is it new? Please continue to the way you are. It also surprise us. I'm only doing this video to clear, straightforward. I did not call Peter Obi's supporters zombies. I describe what obedience means. And me, personally, I cannot be obedient. In this country of today, nothing can make me obedient. I'm too angry to be, too sad, too depressed. I don't like that term. And I went on to say, Peter Obi, I have my reservations. I do. You cannot tell me not to have my reservations. Do I like Atiku? I'm warning you, be careful. Do I like Tinubu? Do you know what Tinubu did? Tinubu raided the shrine when he became governor. He raided the shrine God knows how many times. We had a big running battle with Tinubu in Lagos, closing the shrine. Police raids night after night after night. Go and listen to my song, Can't Buy Me. Can't Buy Me. Go and listen to it. You don't even know my music. Do I come and force you? Do I force my music down your throat? No. If you like, listen. If you like. If you don't like my music, those that like it, they like it. And I'll pay attention to them. I've just come back from 31 dates in Europe, America, and Canada. I was well received. I'm happy. I came back home. Then the car they bought me, Tinubu that bought it. How did Tinubu buy my car? My sister went. My family, you think I have cousins? They all contributed to buy me a car because they appreciate my life.
Because you never buy yourself anything.
I never buy myself anything. They bought me sacks and I asked them, I said, you don't want me to rest in my life. You now bought me something that I will work. So maybe they felt bad. So I'm even feeling bad that, hey, I don't want anything from anybody. I love to play my music. I just love to make people happy playing my music. I play free. My club is the cheapest place. I've been doing this now at the new shrine for 22 years. We didn't build the shrine to extort money from the people of this country. We built the shrine because we love our people, because we believe in what we are doing. We hold celebration in 7 days of free. The last day is 1,000 naira. Look, I've always believed in the youths. My father believed in the youths. That's why I sang Army Arrangement. That one day will be one day. Look, NSAS happened. I believe one day a generation will come and not take nonsense. If it's this generation, better for all of us. If it's this generation, better for all of us. I will never. My children are youthful. I have to believe. I'm not one. I see light. I have to believe there is light at the end of the tunnel. Or else then why am I alive? Why am I alive? If I don't believe in what my father stood for, my grandmother, what I've been singing all my life, I have to believe. You might have your doubts, but I want to believe. I want to believe Africa will be great again.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.